So next method is join function. So here it returns a string in which the character in a string have been joined by a separator. So here join is used to join each character in a word is separated by a separator. So here look at that, here str1 is equal to hello world, then str2 we need to specify our separator. So here separator is a single line. So here str2 dot join str1, which means that so that is str2, which by using str2 we are need to join str1. So here output will become h, then where is a separator, then e, then there is a separator l. So each character is joined with that separator. So this is a use of join operator. str2 means our separator, str1 is our string. So that str1 each word is joined with a str2. str2 is our separator. So this is the output of that join operation. So next one is partition. The partition means, from the example you could look at that one example. Here str1 is equal to India is a country. So here partition means, so we need to partition that string with so here str1 dot partition, then bracket is. So here it returns the partition gives the string at the first occurrence of a substring, that is called separator. So in this example separator is and returns the string partition into three parts. So the first part is the substring before the separator, second one is separator, third one is substring after the separator. So here look at that, here separator is. So here output means India, then comma, then is, then a great country. So it is separated. So it returns a string with the three partitions. So left side, then separator, then right side. So this is the use of partition. So here next example, str1 dot partition, then r. So r is not in our string. If the so here the substring is not found or separator is not found in the string, it returns the whole string itself and two empty string. So here r is not found in the India is a great country. So here it returns India is a great country and two separator empty strings are there. So this is the use of partition operator. So next one is split. So split, it returns a list of word delimited by the specified substring. If no delimiter is given in the word, they are separated by space. So here look at that, str1 is equal to India is a great country. So str1 dot split means, so here in bracket we no need to specify any substring. So it split with the space. So here India, then space, then is a great country. So here it split with the space. So it returns a list of word. And second one is str1 is equal to India is a great country. So here str1 dot split we need to specify the substring a. So here it is split with a. So here India. So here INDI, only I. So a is our substring. So it is split with a. Then is. So then a is removed. Then great GRE. So here a is removed. Then T. Then country COUNTRY. So this is the use of splitting operation. So these are the main important string methods and function. So we already studied about all the string methods and function. So this is important. Here length, title, lower, upper, count, find, index, end with start with alphanumeric, lower, upper, space, title, then stripping functions, replace function, then join function, then partition and split. So this is the main string handling functions.